A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the MAPEH Major Let Review a 10-item practice test, Set 1A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Although physical activities in the primitive society were practical in nature, primitive men still had to participate in recreational activities. Which of the following provided children in the primitive society preparation for adult responsibilities? A. Dancing. B. Mimetic games. C. Physical exercise. D. Chanting. A strong Persian army meant a healthy and physically fit army. Persian physical education was A. The modality to lift weights, shoots the bow, and handles the sword. B. Personified by iron discipline, obedient to authority, indifference to pain and suffering, and obsession to victory in battle. C. The modality for brutal method of training the body for war, which was a prestige profession. D. The modality used to develop military skills, high moral standards, and patriotism. Dancing was popular that a man's prestige depended on his prowess in it. This could be traced back from A. Ancient China, B. Ancient India, C. Ancient Egypt, D. Ancient Greece. Greek sport manifested itself in the concept of the amateur athlete, whose primary goal is to compete in a circuit of 4 major national games that were designated as the A. Capitoline Games, B. Heraean Games, C. Funeral Games, D. Panhellenic Games. When was the first recorded Olympic game that was held at the foot of Mt. Olympus and had a single event, the stade, a 192 foot race? A. 476 AD. B. 394 AD. C. 776 BC. D. 724 BC. A Greek medical man who used physical education as an aid to medicine as early as the 5th century. A. Herodotus. B. Hippocrates. C. Galen. D. Xenophon. Aside from the warriors, Rome grew into a nation of spectators. Spectacular and bloody gladiatorial combats became popular and were a favorite of the Romans. These bloody spectacles were held in the A. Circus Maximus. B. Campus Martinus. C. Colosseum. D. Thermae. After the fall of the Western Roman Empire, as a kind of education that was physical, social, and military in nature emerged. This was referred to as A. Asceticism. B. Scholasticism. C. Feudalism. D. Chivalry. During the Middle Ages, the Christian Church that gradually and deliberately became powerful spiritually and politically generally tolerated fun and games because it could not stop them. This game was similar to bowling. A. Soul. B. Kedgels. C. Le jeu de paume. D. Melee. One of the outstanding leaders in the Renaissance who believed that physical activities which include horsemanship, martial arts, hunting, Ball playing, running, and swimming help the students reach his goal of being a well-rounded individual. A. John Locke. B. Roger Ascham. C. Martin Luther. D. François Rabelais. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.